Beautiful day today. Tater, get over here. Tater, come on. They're taking the Jeep down. He sold it. Tater, come here. It's a good dog. So here we go. We're going to use lights. Roll ours in. Got you a Jeep jerry can for it. Or gas can. Fire extinguisher. Okay, it's kind of hot today, so I still got this wiring on the lights to do. It's a little bit hot right now, but we are going to be doing a transmission service on this. The last 100 to 200, I put about 200 miles on this truck so far, about 200 since I got it all put together. Had to replace the light bulb in the back, but otherwise, about 200 miles on it so far. Runs great. Okay, transmission kind of, I don't know, typical Ford to be exact, but kind of we messed up this morning. When I got in this morning, I went to put in reverse, it would not move. It was like it was in gear, but it would not move. It was stuck. So I put it in drive. I had forward gears. I got it up on a ramp, let it go backwards, threw it in reverse, and it went, and it locked up. So I didn't have no reverse. So I punched it, and it just broke free, and I got forward and reverse gears. But something's going on in the transmission, so I'm gonna have to do a look-see into pull the pan, manifold assembly, the valve body, and do a service on it because, well, that should be protocol. Anytime you do a big job like this, you got to do that. Otherwise, a couple thousand miles on it, and next thing you know, you're broke down. Tater! Okay, so overall, that's what we're doing. There you are. Hey, buddy. What you doing, huh? Whoa, slippery out here. American flag. So we got a bird's nest up in the hood. Anyways, so I ran for the lights right here. It's going to be the lights. This one's for your trailer brake. Here's the lights. Zone relay right there. Trailer brake relay's right over here. Right there. Boom. Okay. This thing is so old. Brittle. I filled it up. Fucking, excuse my language. I was out climbing some hills, whatever, doing a stress test on this truck. And freaking next thing I know, the thing's flopped over, so I made this little wire cage around it, and I should hold it intact to get a replacement. Otherwise, it's coming together. It is together. Just we're gonna do that service on the transmission. I'll get a hold of the owner, let him know. Okay. All right. Say bye, Jay. Over and out.